Okay, question number 34. Four resistances, each of resistance R are connected as shown. Okay, you see this is the network. The total resistance between the point X and Y is 120 ohm. Between these two, it is 120 ohms. Okay, and then what does it say? What is the magnitude of each resistance R? See, now this part of the circuit is seen to be in series, right? See this R and R. If I now write it across, I can now write this is my R. This should be 3R. This should be 3R, right? So therefore, now 3R is parallel to R. So which means 1 by R total is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by 3R, which should now be, I'll write it here, 1 by R total should be equal to 1 by R. If I take 1 by R plus 1 by 3R, what will be? This will be 4 by 3R, right? So what is R total? R total is already known to me as 120. So I'll write 1 by 120 is equal to 4 by 3R. This means now 3 ones are 3 4s are, which is 40s are, which means R should be equal to, I push this R this side, this 40 goes this side, so 40 into 4, which should be equal to 160 ohms. So 160 ohms C is the right answer.